This poster is about EMBL-EBI search and sequence analysis tools APIs and their role during the current COVID-19 pandemic. So my name is Fábio Madeira and I'm responsible for EMBL-EBI tools, and Matt Pierce, which is the project lead for EBI search, and we work with Rodrigo Lopez within web production, which is a group at EMBL-EBI. So let me start by giving you an overview of EBI search as well as EBI tools. So EBI search is a full text search engine that gives you access to data from EMBL-EBI resources and from a few others. It provides you always up-to-date search results, and as you can see, it provides search functionality for many popular EMBL-EBI resources, as you can see listed here, from UniProt-KB to Expression Atlas, RNA Central, ENA, all the way down to metabolites and EuroPMC, just to name a few, covering pretty much all aspects of biology, all the way from genes, genomes and variation to chemical biology to systems. EBI tools, on the other hand, provides access to core bioinformatics applications and corresponding up-to-date biological databases that some of the applications require. And just to name a few as well, we provide core and popular applications such as Clustal Omega, NCBI Blast, FastA, InterproScan, EMBOS applications, just to name a few again. Both of these services, developed at EMBL-EBI, can be accessed programmatically. So we provide application programming interfaces, APIs, and as you can see, you can actually navigate and explore both APIs if you add into these websites listed here. So EBI Search API is divided into categories. At the top you've got search. With search you can do basically search against a single or all available resources or domains within EBI search. You can also do cross-references search, in this case between resources or entries. You can do auto-completion, getting suggestions for what you are typing. You have also another category which is related to top terms, if you are looking for generic terms on a specific field, for example. You've got also sequence analysis tool results category, which basically gives you metadata for your sequence analysis results. We provide these for some specific projects. We've got also another category within EBI Search API, which is more like this, which allows you to find similar entries to those that you are looking for. And last but not least, we've got raw data retrieval, which we provide for a few domains. So in that case, getting the actual raw data for a particular entry. EBI tools, on the other side here, is an API that is common for all different applications which are provided within EBI tools, and endpoints are the same across the different applications. So at the top we've got parameters, which lists you the available parameters on a particular tool, and then you can get to know more about those parameters in detail. So you can get lists of information, a selection of details for a particular parameter. This would give you, for example, a description, types of values that parameter accepts, and the ranges, and so on and so forth. Another endpoint is submit job, which allows you to post your sequence analysis. Within that endpoint you can submit your data with your input sequences, for example, and your selection of options for your parameters. Once you submit the job, you get a job identifier back, which you then can use to check the status of the job, display the different available result types, as well as download particular results for that particular job. So we provide Swagger Open API interactive interfaces for these APIs, so you can actually explore the API and actually try the different endpoints and see the types of results that you get back. And if you try the endpoints, you can see example command line comments that are generated automatically and that you can copy-paste straight into your terminal to start playing with the APIs. On top of that, we provide example clients in Python, Perl and Java, as well as Docker images with pre-installed clients. We also provide CWL workflow examples so that you can see how you could integrate different applications as well as EBI search together in an analysis pipeline that you can then sort of customize for your own needs. So during the current COVID-19 pandemic, both EBI search and EBI tools were used extensively. In fact, in terms of EBI search, it has actually been used to power the COVID-19 data portal, which has been developed and maintained at the EMBL-EBI. So really, EBI search forms the backbone in terms of presentation of data as well as API for COVID-19 data portal, and all content related to COVID-19 data portal can be found within this new portal. So in terms of EBI tools, we also experienced a substantial surge in the usage of these tools, and you can see in this bar chart on a month-by-month basis over last year, 2020, you can see that April and May were months that we saw quite an increase in terms of the usage of the different applications on people really doing a lot of SARS-CoV-2 related sequence analysis. So just before I finish, let me point out that we have got a technology track presentation tomorrow. So if you're interested, basically tag along tomorrow at 1 p.m. And attend our presentation. In the meantime, if you have any questions, comments, or anything, really give us a shout. So I will be happy to talk to you. Thank you so much. Cheers.